Hi everyone, welcome to our first project. You guys did a great job in the first 2 weeks. I'm really enjoying reading your reflections. And now it's time to start our web design. Before it starts, I have some announcements for this course. The first one is that we have some new students joining us. You will have the chance to know each other in the following weeks. And the second is that from October 27th to 27th, I will go to Kansas City for the AECT conference. But our course will not stop. I will still upload course page that Wednesday, but I might not be able to respond to the email in a short time. So if you have any questions, you can still send an email to me. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Okay, that's all for the announcements. Now let's talk about the first project. As for the reason that we only have 3 weeks for the web design, so I will not teach about the web design language like the HTML and CSS language, but I will still put them as additional resources at the last week of this project. So in this project, you will learn some free web design tools and you can design the web in a very simple way. So this is a week 3 page. So in the week 3, we will learn some tips for the web design and explore some good examples of web design. And in this week, we have 5 tasks in total. The first one is to watch this video, and the second one is to read the web design tips. There are total 3 links to different web design tips. You need to read them all to have a basic understanding what is a good web design in current society. The next task is to explore some good examples of the web design. There are 2 links. The first one is a link to the Webby Awards for 2017. You can open this link and explore some websites that won the awards last year. And this is a link to the 95 inspired websites that you can choose some of them that you think is really great to have an exploration. So the next task, you will need to do an analysis of at least 2 websites, one you like and one you dislike. Or you can choose more websites by using the tips in the task 2 and the website rubric for the project. You need to write a 1-page paper to finish the analysis. Please put the links to the website and your analysis in the paper, and submit your paper in the Slack channel and in the assignment. So one thing you need to note that is this week you need to submit your paper in 2 places. One is the Slack web analysis channel, and one is in the assignment. So, and the next task is about the group of 1 person. So we will start our web design in the next 2 weeks. The last thing you need to do is to decide you are going to design your website 1 person or in a group. There are different requirements for an individual and group. Please read this link to the requirement carefully. You have 1 week to decide it. So after your decision, write down in this Google Doc. You please write down your name, your group name, and members, and please also write down your email address. So that's all for the week 3. I hope you will enjoy your new week. Thank you so much.